Yeah, Amitabh sir is.
How do you see that?
Yeah, Amitabh sir is absolutely. He will be there in the peak, on the peak stage. We could not compare this power star with Amitabh.
हेलो वन, माय नेम इज दिग्विजय, वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड प्रेमी। दोस्तों मेरे साथ में है पवन कल्याण के द बिगेस्ट फैन ऑफ पवन कल्याण आई कैन से। आपका नाम बताइए सर।
Yes, my name is Murali Chandra. I was the student of Osmania University. I came from Zairabad, almost traveling 150 plus kilometers, as I said you earlier. I would like to, I want to speak a couple of words about this channel. I'm very thankful to you, this Bollywood Premi. I'm very happy to share all my opinion, a part of my fans here. Then, as I said you, just before, this movie is going to create a history. I mean, it is going to touch absolutely historical feat, no doubt about that, because the voice of Pawan Kalyan, the genre of the story, the movie, absolutely, we can expect some different, all the movies of, all the previous movies of Pawan Kalyan is different from this movie. Then we will have to wait. Still, we did not have any piece of chance to see that benefit show. Then after completion of this movie, then as we have seen so far trailer, teaser, etc., we have plenty of huge expectations on the movie. Absolutely, no doubt about that. Pawan Kalyan fans is going to create the big success. We can expect that big success after this first morning show. Then what more do we want? If we see one couple of seconds on the silver screen, that legendary actor, not only actor as I said you, one of the greatest human being in the world. I say that in the world, one of the greatest human beings in the world, none other than Pawan Kalyan. His character, his style, his way of living, his way of talking, absolutely acceptable and influential. Then we have seen so far, if the people observe that Pawan Kalyan lifestyle is absolutely very, very close to the common people. He does not have any necessity to maintain this kind of audience. Then he is very close by giving up all his luxury or aristocratic life. Then as a hero, then we could expect these kind of things from the hero as a part of audience. Then one more thing, if you observe his lifestyle, not only is an actor, not only is a dramatist, he is the real hero. We have plenty of examples since his first movie. Then every movie is giving every message. Pawan says in his own style. Then we should respect not only women, everybody, not only women, even all the human beings. Then he feels all are equal. Like designations are not very important. They may are the heroes, we may are the audience, we may are the fans of him, but he treats each and everyone is equal to him. Absolutely, it is an incalculable piece of method. Only Pawan Kalyan can follow that. So there are plenty of expectations. Undoubtedly, we knew very well it has created history in Bollywood. Then we hope it is going to create more and more history and more records in Tollywood too. I am very thankful to you, bro. Special thanks to.
There are predictions that it will make first day more than 70 to 80 crores of collection. What do you want to say?
Yeah, absolutely. Power star that is there.
Everywhere.
The name has a power. The name has a power. The movie has a message. Then these two things are enough to collect that plenty of the currency. The money is not the matter at all. So then, does it have a message or not? That is a very, very important one. So movie, most of the people will come to enjoy him, his mannerism, his dialogues, his songs. Everything is absolutely, fans can accept that. But the thing is, how message is that? How much does it have? Then what is the social oriented things? Then what is what we call, then which kind of things are going to play influence in the society? These kind of things plays crucial role, because a review, anyone can give a review, but he has to study that message, he has to understand the story, he has to understand the genre. Different people will think differently, they can speak differently. But honestly, we do want to observe that, the message, the zeal of the story. So we the people have been waiting. Hope,
exactly.
Yeah.
The show is at 11 a.m. We'll surely come
absolutely.
back
As
to
I said, you earlier, it is going to land on the silver skins within a few hours. Then we the people have been waiting.
So this was the
Pawan Kalyan.
Zindabad Pawan Kalyan.
Pawan Kalyan.
Zindabad.
So this was the biggest fan of Pawan Kalyan. He has come all the way 150 kilometers.
Yeah, absolutely. I have been coming to see his movies almost at RTC Crossroads. Plenty of theaters are there. As an audience, as one of the best fan of Pawan Kalyan, the local people may provide me a particular seat to see in the morning, even the benefit show. But I forgive all those opportunities at a rural area. My aim, my ambition is to see in Sudarshan Theatre itself. You know, we have been a fan of Chiranjeevi, fan of Pawan Kalyan, absolutely. We feel happy when we see this movie in this theatre, this kind of historical theatre. Sudarshan, you know, if I want to speak about this theatre, absolutely only the biggest single screen theatre in the Asia, you know. Then what more do we want to see? Absolutely, we can get plenty of entertainment.
Wonderful, wonderful. There are a lot of expectations and there are like crazy fans out here outside Sudarshan Theatre.
So one more
And-
thing,
yes.
my humble request to audience, don't comment without getting any idea over the movie. This is my respect. If you have that capacity to comment that movie, that time you can analyze, you can conduct review. So special request to the people who creates the exaggeration like uselessly, unnecessarily. My request to them, you have to study the movie, you have to read the movie, you have to read the story, you have to understand the concept. That time you can come forward to speak any word. Right? Then only unless having any piece of idea, you don't have any right to speak about this. Not only this movie.
I want to ask you one thing.
Yeah.
This film is said to be a remake of Pink,
Yeah.
which was a Bollywood movie
Yeah.
in which there was Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
And here, Pawan Kalyan is there who has done the remake.
Yeah, Amitabh sir is.
How do you see that?
Yeah, Amitabh sir is absolutely. He will be there in the peak, on the peak stage. We could not compare this power star with Amitabh. Amitabh's status, Amitabh's stardom will be there. But in these two states, especially Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, including a couple of countries like Kannada, some other South Indian states, Pawan Kalyan plays a crucial role. Then he can influence all these states people. Amitabh can influence Indian people, even Pawan Kalyan sometimes.
Yes.
So we could not compare. He is legendary actor. Even sometimes Pawan said
Even
in some
Hindi
incidents.
audience is going crazy for Vakil Saab.
Yeah,
Yes,
you
we
know.
can see that craze.
Yes, then we have been waiting for their response, brother.
Wonderful.
We
We'll
could not
come
even
back
say that.
to you as
Yeah.
you come outside
Yeah,
watching
yeah.
the film.
Absolutely. We can give that.
Surely ask for the review.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very
This
much.
was the biggest fan of Pawan Kalyan out here. Stay tuned.
I'm very
Keep
thankful
watching.
to you. Yeah. Good luck.
Thank you.